Today, we're featuring a 2018 Peterbilt 579 Tandem axle day cab. This unit comes fully loaded with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors, plus AM, FM, CD radio, and leather seats. Also has a smart steering wheel. Also features battery shutoffs and a full power group. This Peterbilt features a Paccar MX engine with 510 horsepower, 182-inch wheelbase, 18-speed auto transmission with a 3.91 gear ratio, low air leaf suspension with a 13,200 front axle rating and 40,000 rear. Also features a sliding fifth wheel. It also comes equipped with full locking rear differentials. This Peterbilt has 348,000 miles on it and is work ready. For more heavy equipment, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.